Now let's go to the mix between those two. And here we go. Random one. Okay. Nice. Consistent. I haven't seen any imperfections yet in the balloons as when they're drying off the latex. So I'm not particularly sure with this brand how they do it. Some brands have these straws that they go down into the latex and back up, and they drip that way. Some keep them more horizontal. There used to be one brand that actually purposely would do them that way so that you get just a little bit of a curl in them, which was nice for certain things. But no, again, gray, um, good textures, and yes, some of my. Oh, here, let's just do a comparison here. Here's my balloon bag, and we'll just take the lime green. Yeah, there's definitely when it comes to the squeak, and it's much. Again, I don't know if you can hear that over the canceling headphones, but we have again these are older, so give them the benefit of the doubt. But these definitely feel thicker. They feel stronger. Same bubble plate, so the air should be about the same. And these here feel like they're being more blown out by the pressure, where these feel like they're more structurally sound, which again wasn't really what I was expecting. To give you an idea, this brand from Bargain Balloons, you can buy them. They're about 550 to 575. They go back and forth based on what exactly what color it is. So they're cheaper than pretty much anything else I found right now. So let's put the bag back for right now. Again, we'll do a video all about that. So three colors down, we'll put those all in the winners pile so far. And